English phrases to sound like a native speaker. Let's go. What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? Long time no see. Long time no see. Long time no see. Oh wow, long time no see. How have you been? No worries, no worries. Sorry, I'm late. No worries. You bet, you bet. Thanks for helping, you bet. I'm down, I'm down. Wanna grab pizza tonight? I'm down. I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. Do you need some help? I'm good, thanks. Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's meet at 7. Sounds good. I mean, I mean, we're planning a trip. Cool. I mean, that's lit. That's lit. Did you see her outfit? That's lit. No way. No way. I just won the lottery. No way. Take it easy. Take it easy. See you tomorrow. Take it easy. I feel you. I feel you. This job is so stressful. Yeah, I feel you. It's up to you. It's up to you. Pizza or burgers. It's up to you. That's sick. That's sick. Check out my new skateboard. Oh, that's sick. Good for you. Good for you. I finally got the job. Good for you. No big deal. No big deal. Sorry for the mistake. It's okay. No big deal. For real, for real, she moved to Paris? For real? I'm starving. I'm starving. Let's eat. I'm starving. My bad, my bad. Oops, I broke it. My bad. You got this? You got this? I'm nervous about the test. Don't worry, you got this. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I'll be right there. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Is he coming? I'm not sure. That's awesome. That's awesome. We're going to Disneyland. That's awesome. Come on, come on. I lost my phone again. Come on. That makes sense. That makes sense. He left early because he was sick. Yeah, that makes sense. Not really, not really. Did you enjoy the movie? Not really. I'm broke. I'm broke. Wanna go shopping? I can't. I'm broke. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I hope I pass the exam. Fingers crossed. It's not my thing. It's not my thing. Did you like horror movies? Nah, it's not my thing. You nail it. You nail it. Wow, You did amazing in your speech. You nailed it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.